Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us. It's impacting how we work, live, and interact with each other. AI is already automating tasks, improving decision-making, and driving innovation across various industries. From finance to healthcare, transportation to tax and accounting, AI's influence is undeniable. This essay will explore the profound impact of AI on different sectors, highlighting both the benefits and challenges it brings. AI's growing influence is evident in the increasing investment and adoption rates across industries. Businesses are eager to harness AI's power to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge. However, alongside these benefits come challenges. Ethical considerations, job displacement concerns, and the need for workforce upskilling are crucial aspects that require careful attention as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. The transformative potential of AI is undeniable. It has the power to revolutionize industries, improve our quality of life, and create new opportunities. However, navigating this AI-driven future requires a thoughtful and proactive approach to harness its benefits while mitigating potential risks. By understanding the implications of AI and embracing its potential, we can shape a future where technology empowers and benefits everyone. The financial services industry is at the forefront of AI adoption. AI-powered algorithms are transforming various aspects of finance, from fraud detection and risk management to customer service and investment strategies. One notable example is JP Morgan Chase's use of AI to analyze legal documents and extract crucial data points. This technology has significantly reduced the time and resources required for tasks that previously required hours of manual labor. AI is also enhancing efficiency and accuracy in financial institutions. AI-powered chatbots provide instant customer support, answer queries, and resolve issues swiftly. This 24/7 availability improves customer satisfaction and frees up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. Moreover, AI algorithms analyze vast datasets to identify patterns and anomalies that humans might miss, leading to more accurate fraud detection and risk assessments. Despite its benefits, integrating AI in finance comes with challenges. Data privacy and security are paramount concerns. Financial institutions handle sensitive customer information, making robust cybersecurity measures essential to prevent data breaches and maintain trust. Furthermore, addressing potential biases in AI algorithms is crucial to ensure fairness and prevent discriminatory outcomes in lending, credit scoring, and other financial services. The healthcare industry is witnessing a revolution driven by AI. The global healthcare AI market is experiencing remarkable growth, fueled by the increasing demand for improved patient care, reduced costs, and accelerated drug discovery. AI applications in healthcare are numerous and diverse, ranging from medical imaging analysis and diagnosis support to personalized treatment plans and drug development. One of AI's most significant contributions to healthcare is its ability to analyze medical images with exceptional accuracy. AI algorithms can detect subtle patterns in X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans that might escape the human eye, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. This is particularly valuable in detecting conditions like cancer, where early diagnosis significantly improves treatment outcomes. AI is also transforming patient care through personalized medicine. By analyzing a patient's medical history, genetic information, and lifestyle factors, AI algorithms can assist doctors in developing personalized treatment plans tailored to individual needs. This approach increases treatment effectiveness, minimizes side effects, and improves patient outcomes. Beyond finance and healthcare, AI is making significant inroads into various other industries. In transportation, self-driving vehicles are no longer a futuristic concept, but a rapidly developing reality. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are at the forefront of autonomous driving technology, promising to revolutionize transportation by improving road safety, reducing traffic congestion, and enhancing fuel efficiency. In the realm of tax and accounting, AI is automating routine tasks such as data entry, invoice processing, and tax filing. This automation frees up accountants and tax professionals to focus on more strategic and analytical work, such as providing financial advice, optimizing tax strategies, and identifying growth opportunities for their clients. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on industries and the workforce will undoubtedly grow. While AI presents challenges, such as job displacement concerns, it also creates new opportunities for those with the skills and adaptability to thrive in an AI-driven world. Embracing lifelong learning, developing new skills, and fostering a culture of innovation will be essential for individuals and businesses to succeed in the age of AI. Fear and opportunity. The fear is simple. People worry that their skills will become outdated. They worry that companies will choose automation over loyalty. They worry that college degrees may not guarantee safety anymore. They worry that the next recession could give companies an excuse to replace workers faster, but the opportunity is also real. A single person can now do work that once required a full team. A freelancer can create content, design graphics, write proposals, edit videos, and manage clients using AI tools. A small business can compete with bigger companies. A student can learn faster. A worker can become more productive without working more hours. AI is becoming a force multiplier, but only for people who learn how to use it. The workers who survive this shift will not be the ones who simply say AI is bad. They will be the ones who ask, how can I use AI to become faster? How can I make my work more valuable? Which skills are still human? What can I learn before my industry changes without warning? Because AI is not just changing jobs, it is changing the meaning of skill. In the past, knowing information was powerful. Today, information is everywhere. The new power is knowing what to ask, how to judge answers, how to think critically, and how to apply knowledge in the real world. AI can generate content, but humans must decide what matters. AI can summarize data, but humans must understand context. AI can create options, but humans must make judgment calls. AI can imitate creativity, but humans still understand emotion, culture, trust, and consequence. This is why the future American worker may need two types of skills. First, technical skills using AI tools, understanding data, automation, digital platforms, and basic tech literacy. Second, human skills, communication, leadership, creativity, empathy, problem-solving, negotiation, and decision-making. The safest worker in the AI economy is not necessarily the most technical person. It is the person who can combine technology with human judgment, but the transition will be painful. Some people will adapt quickly, others will be left behind. Some companies will invest in training, others will simply cut costs. Some workers will use AI to grow, others will watch their roles slowly disappear. This is why AI is not just a technology story. It is an economic story, a class story, a workplace story, and a human story. Because behind every efficiency gain, there may be a worker wondering if their job is next. Behind every automated system, there may be someone whose daily tasks no longer matter. Behind every new AI tool, there is a question America has to answer. Will this technology create a better future for workers, or only bigger profits for companies? The truth is, AI will not destroy the entire US job market, but it will divide it between workers who adapt and workers who do not, between companies that train people and companies that replace them, between jobs that become more powerful with AI and jobs that become unnecessary because of it. The future of work will not belong to AI alone. It will belong to people who understand how to work with AI. So the next time someone says AI is coming for your job, the better answer may be AI is coming for the old version of your job. And the only question is whether you are ready for the new one. Because the US job market is not waiting, it is already changing.